It's really good at doing symbolic mathematical things. And the first symbolic mathematical thing we can look at is called inline mode. This is where we're typing text directly, or we're typing math directly in the line of text that we're using. So math inline mode, there are two you can indicate this. The first way is you can wrap it in dollar signs. Do a dollar sign, text, and then close the dollar sign. That's the first way. The other way is you could do a slash parenthesis and then do your math text and then do a slash parenthesis. When I'm looking at my editor, I'm going to do some examples now. First, I find it helpful sometimes to hide the PDF by clicking on this green rectangle that contains a white arrow. Hide the file tree by clicking on this green rectangle as well. And then I can make this larger so y'all can see it better. So what's a mathematical expression that you might like to see typeset? So let's start with pi. So here I have everybody loves the number, and then I do $/pi $. And that's telling LaTeX, this is a thing that I want to make be mathy. This is math text. If I and show my PDF again, sentence that I just typed, I actually have a pi symbol that corresponds to this $/pi that I did. Obviously, one thing you might like if you're talking about math text is you might want to have a subscript, or a superscript. So if you're talking about variables, you can subscript using a underscore. And then if I want lower dots, I have the /l dots command. I can recompile that. So you see how now I have this subscripted text with the ellipse that corresponds to this underscore and the L dots commands that I've used in dollar signs. You can also do exponents, things. That's pretty much standard calculator notation. It's just the caret. If you're doing a longer expression that isn't just a single thing, you need to use curly braces to enclose it. So this if I want a to the 3x and I want it to be 3x is the entire exponent, then I look at this, and if I recompile it, that I just see now is not what I was looking for. That doesn't work. So you can use curly braces to enclose expressions that should stay together. So if I change that to a to the 3x and I put the 3x in curly braces and recompile, now it's exactly like how I wanted it. The entire 3x is in the exponent. So this is important. Anytime you do $1 sign, you also need to have a closing dollar sign. These always come in pairs. And so this dollar sign is saying, hey, make this be math mode. And use math mode by enclosing text in dollar signs, or you can also use the /parentheses. Secondly, you can use subscript or underscores, subscripts, carets for exponents. Use curly braces to enclose text, blocks of text that should stay together.